Will the immediate family of Dr. Thomas Isekenegbe please join us on the stage? Family. Will Dr. Gabby Ali and John Pitcher please come forward? I now ask Dr. Thomas Isekenegbe to join us on the stage. Cumberland County College has entrusted to only 5 presidents. All of our presidents have been individuals of uncommon energy, vision, and determination. Today, I am happy to have the opportunity to present to the Assembly the 6th president of the Cumberland County College. Excuse me. I really do think highly of Dr. Isekenegbe. I believe if he was running for office, he would have a good chance on winning. Dr. Isekenegbe, the Board of Trustees has chosen to bestow upon you this great privilege. Yours is the responsibility to lead Cumberland County College, the students, the faculty, and the staff, to greater innovations and aspirations in support of institutional excellence and student success. Dr. Isekenegbe, it is my pleasure to invest you with the powers of the presidency of Cumberland County College. By virtue of the authority vested in me by Cumberland County Board of Trustees, I hereby name you President of Cumberland County College. You are assigned all powers and responsibilities appropriate to this post. We are confident that under your leadership, this institution will continue to serve our county, state, nation, and world.